Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Biolab, and this is Vamsi here at Biolab. And in today's video we will be starting a new chapter, that is excretion. According to our NCERT, excretory products and their elimination. In this chapter, so we'll be discussing about, as per the name of the chapter suggests, we'll be discussing about excretion, guys. Excretion. Yes, some of the points which I am discussing here might not be present in your NCERT, so I request all of you to write each and every point. Like today's video is just an introductory video, and I'll also be telling you which are the points which are not present in your NCERT. So please do not waste your time on spending on writing the notes itself. Please write the points which you feel very important to you, and also I'll be providing those points only. Okay, in this introductory video we'll be discussing about the types of animals based on the excretory products which they are excreting. Okay, generally animals. So yeah, today would be a general discussion, right? So animals, so please write this point, animals, or if you have NCERT, please underline this point. This is on the first page also itself. Accumulate by, actually these animals accumulate what? So they accumulate ammonia, urea, uric acid. These are the three things which are important. Some ions like K plus, Na plus, Cl minus, etc. And also the phosphate, etc. These animals accumulate these all, but the things which are important for us are these. Based on these three only we will be discussing the classification of animals, not on these. Okay, these are not very much important for us, these two. Okay, these are generally in animals stored or accumulated by using metabolic actions. Or excess ingestion. Okay, what is meant by ingestion? It is nothing but intake. Okay, intake. If you take intake of ammonia is more in our food, that also leads to the accumulation of ammonia, or through some metabolic actions, some animals convert ammonia into urea or ammonia into uric acid. So urea and uric acid are being accumulated in those animals which do those. So that's the thing, animals generally accumulate these three. Now actually what happens is, in order to excrete, why do we excrete? First of all, we have a word which is very important called as homeostasis. Yes guys, before moving to the classification, these all are introductory points. Just diving deep into the classification is not at all useful, so I am discussing all of these important points. So homeostasis, we have already came across about hemostasis. This is the blood coagulation part, guys. We do not have anything related to this in this chapter. hemostasis. But homeostasis, it is the maintenance of ionic balance in the body. Okay, this is the meaning of homeostasis. This homeostasis generally it is maintained. Okay, it happens sometimes. So wait 1 minute. Yes. Okay, yes, this homeostasis happens in two ways, guys. One is through excretion, which we will be discussing. Second one is to osmoregulation. Okay, these are the two types or two things how homeostasis is maintained in our body. Okay, now we have animals. As I said, we have different types of animals based on the material which they are storing. If these animals store ammonia, okay, let me decrease the size of the eraser. Give me a minute, guys. The animals which store ammonia, listen carefully, ammonia, they are called as ammonotelic animals, and this is termed as ammonotelism. I'm telling one word for this, just add telism, uricotelism. Okay, urea storing animals are termed as ureotelic, and this is termed as ureotelism. Uricotelic, and this is called as uricotelism. So these are the different types of animals, 3 different types of animals based on the classification that we have done on the excretory products. Okay, on the excretory products. Now we will be talking about the ammonotelic animals first of all. Okay, we'll be talking about ammonotelic animals first of all. So starting with the ammonotelic animals, the basic thing is that ammonia is the basic excretory product which is excreted or accumulated in this body of these animals. Okay, now if you see about these, yes, come on, let me just give me a minute. I'll be erasing this and then we'll be starting about this. Okay, again I have to increase the size. Okay, now put the side heading ammonotelism. I'm giving you the important points from your NCERT, guys. This homeostasis is not present in your NCERT. Okay, you have to write that. You have to write in comparison to that. So that is very important. Now we'll be talking about the first one, ammonotelism. These animals are called as ammonotelic animals. They excrete, okay, Let me change the color. Some yes. Excrete. They excrete ammonia. They excrete ammonia. Okay, this is a feature of mainly. This is a feature of aquatic animals. Mainly aquatic animals do this, since the main reason for this would be most probably the ammonia, or you can also say NH3, is highly toxic. This is the con of this ammonia, or you can also say boon. Not boon, ban of this ammonia. It is highly toxic to the body, and the good thing is this ammonia is soluble in water. This is the best thing about ammonia. Ammonia is soluble in water. So aquatic animals, where do they live? Inside water. So they excrete ammonia using the characteristic of ammonia, that it is soluble in water. Even though it is highly toxic to the body, it is soluble in water. Boon and ban. This is boon, this is ban. Okay, props and cons. So these are the two things which we have to discuss about the ammonia. Next one also, how this ammonia is formed. Let us see a small thing. If you write that is very beneficial to you. Okay, write it somewhere. I have erased it, but you write it somewhere. Okay, now ammonia, NH3, is formed in the liver. Where is this ammonia formed? It is formed in liver through a process called as oxidative deamination. I hope you have studied this about this deamination in your organic chemistry or your chemistry part. Okay, what happens is here, this amino acids, not ammonia, generally these amino acids. Yes, aquatic animals take amino acids. These amino acids, they are separated by deamination. So separation of amino acids is called as deamination. So as we are separating amino acids, this is called as deamination. Now amine group is separated from these amino acids. Amine group, what is this amine group? NH2 group. Amine group is the NH2 group. Now this NH2 group combines with one hydrogen, and then it forms the thing which we call as ammonia. This is the process which happens in the liver of aquatic animals. This process is called as oxidative deamination. Why deamination? Because of the separation of amine group from amino acids. Okay, amine group from amino acids. Now I have already told you that this ammonia is highly toxic. It is highly toxic, so we have to excrete it. The animals have to excrete it. Without excretion, it is not possible to store toxic materials in body. So how they exhibit, how they excrete, how they expel out this unwanted thing? Generally in fishes, aquatic animals, we relate to fishes. These fishes send out this ammonia using through processes. There are two processes through which the fishes send ammonia out. One, using their kidney, and second one, using their gill epithelium. I have already told you what is the good thing about ammonia, that it is soluble in water. So one is through kidney, this is very little. This is through urine. They send out this ammonia. Where is this? Okay, link it here. Ammonia through urine, this is very little. The major part of it is sent through the second method, that is using gill epithelium. What happens is this ammonia NH3, okay, this ammonia NH3 is converted into ammonium ion NH4 plus, and then it is sent out through the gill epithelium to outside. Okay, this is the fish body, these are your gills. Now water enters, it takes away ammonium ion, kidneys filter and send this ammonia through urine. So this is about ammonotelism. In the next video we will be exploring about ureotelism and uricotelism, guys. Yes, till then please wait, and there are more interesting points to come up. And this is Vamsi signing off from Biolab. If you like the video, please hit that like button very hard, and also subscribe to our channel Biolab. So thank you guys, have a great day further. Thank you.